I'm gonna show you how to add contact form in Google Sites. So to get started, you have to type in your site.google, you have to search it, and then you have to click on Google Sites, and from here you can create your own blank site or you have your own sites. So I'm going to create a new one. So from here, I'm going to rename this one home page. So from here, I'm just going to click on pages right here, and then I'm gonna click on pages, and then from here you just have to click on the plus sign and then add page. I'm gonna add contact, and then once you added contact, it will show you here that you have already a home page and a contact page on your Google site. So you need to add a contact form, so you have to go to another browser, or you can just click add new tab and then search for Google Forms, and from there you just have to type it and then click on Google Form sign in. And so from there you're going to create a new blank form, or you can just click on here, you just click on contact information, so you can just edit it if you want to. So from here you can see that it's already in contact information, or you can edit it whatever you want. So from here I'm just going to click on publish, and then another one you have to click on publish so you can save it on your Google account. And so from here just gonna click on back on the Google site, and you have to add on contact, and you have to click on insert, and then you have to scroll down and look for the word forms. And so you have to click on the contact information that you created right here, and after you click on that one, it will just reappear on the contact page. And then from there you have now your contact information in your Google Sites. So that's how you add contact form in Google Sites.